Good afternoon. We are so excited to be bringing you our first digital breakout activity that is now live on our website. So if you go to www.striveacademy.org and go up next to our virtual STEAM activities to digital breakout, if you click on that, it's going to take you to the digital breakout page. Here is where you can find our very first digital breakout, which is called Tea Party Scavenger Hunt. So if you click on Tea Party Scavenger Hunt, it's going to take you to the actual digital breakout. When you get here, if you read the kind of background information here, it's going to give you a little bit of info of the problem that you're trying to solve. When you're ready to start your clues, if you look up here at the top, there's clue 1, clue 2, clue 3, clue 4, and then a place to submit all of your clue answers. When you click on clue number 1, a text message comes up that you need to read through to figure out if you can find a number code that is revealed through that text message. Clue number 2, you're going to be solving this Morse code, and you're going to need to use this translator here, so you can click on that and it will bring up something that's going to help you. Clue number 3, you're going to solve this picture, what this says, and then from there you're going to use that, and you're going to use these bullet points to help you with this clue. And then clue 4, you're going to use the numbers to help you solve this question and then figure out the answer. When you're finished with all 4 clues, you're going to head on up to submit clue answers, and when you click on that, you're going to be brought to this page. For clue number 1, you do need to enter in a parent's email address to have access to submit clue number 1. Then you're going to put in your number code from the first text message. If it's correct, when you hit submit, it's going to say, woohoo, you've solved this clue. You're going to go on to clue number 2. If you enter it and it's not right, it's going to come up and say, that is not the correct answer, please try again. When you have all 4 clues submitted, you're going to have all 4 of these that will say that you've solved them. If you do not enter them all in capital letters, so for clues 2, 3, and 4, it says use all capital letters. If you do not use all capital letters, it's not going to come up that it's correct. So please make sure that if you're entering it, that you're using all of the capital letters for clues 2, 3, and 4. So for this, you don't really need many supplies, but you will need a couple of things. So it may be helpful to have a piece of paper or like a scrap piece of paper out with a pencil or a pen. You're obviously going to need a device. If you want to keep track of your time, or if you're racing against someone, if your family wants to kind of have a competition between 2 groups of people, you can keep time with a timer. And then you're going to need an adult's email address for the first clue. So when you're finished with this, we would love to have any feedback from you. Which clue was too easy? Which clue was too hard? What did you struggle with? What was really fun? And we look forward to bringing you more of these digital breakouts, hopefully in the future, as just something fun to work on your problem solving skills. So head on over to www.striveacademy.org and get started on your first digital breakout.